Ready to transform your real estate videos from hidden gems to legend-generating powerhouses? Let's dive into optimizing your videos, boosting visibility, and attracting more clients in just a few simple steps. First, keyword research is key. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to find relevant terms like homes for sale, your city, or your city real estate market. Next, craft a compelling title using your primary keyword within the first 60 characters. Think stunning, your city, home for sale, 3-bed, to bath, short, sweet, and keywordrich. Now, create an engaging description. Write at least 23 sentences that summarize your video. Include your primary and secondary keywords, and add a call to action like visit my website or call for a showing. Don't forget strategic tagging. Use a mix of broad and specific tags like real estate, your city real estate, homes for sale, and neighborhood homes. Creating valuable content is also essential. Showcase property tour, provide market updates, or offer home buying tips. Valuable content keeps viewers engaged. Promote your videos by sharing them on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to reach a wider audience. Finally, analyze your video performance. Use YouTube Analytics to track views, watch time, and audience retention to see what's working and refine your strategy. With these tips, you'll improve your search rankings, enhance your online presence, and generate more leads.